I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to lock your card on Telus, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Telus app. Launch the Telus app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account or Settings section in the app. This is usually located in the bottom navigation bar. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for Payment Methods or Cards. Tap on this option to view your linked cards. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the card you want to lock and select the option to lock card. Confirm your choice when prompted. This will prevent any transactions from being processed. Step 5. Verify card status. After locking, check the status of your card to ensure it shows as locked. This can help you confirm that the action was successful. Remember, if you accidentally lock your card, you can easily unlock it by following the same steps. I hope this helps you manage your card securely.